How to edit on CapCut. New to CapCut, let's break down the basics of editing step by step. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up CapCut into your device, and then from here at the top left, you'd basically find this import button. So once you create a new project, you'd get redirected into this page. So once you click on this import button, you'll be taken to your local drive. So click on that specific video that you want to edit and click on open, and that will be found here into the section. Now to be able to start the editing process, drag this specific video into your timeline. And then once you drag it, you can go ahead and proceed on editing it. So for example, you want to trim it, go ahead and forward into that specific section where you want to remove, click on the video, and then in here, you'll find all of the tools you can use. So you can use this to split the video from this part. You can use this to delete the video on the left and keep what's on the right, and use this to delete the video on the right and keep what's on the left. And then if you want to delete a video on your canvas, go ahead and click on this delete button. Now, if you want to add a keyframe on your video, what you can do is to go ahead and click on this diamond icon, which you'd basically find under video, under basic, at the right side of transform. So this will allow you to add a keyframe. So for example, you want to add a different transition into this section, such as a zoom in. Simply click on the video and then go ahead and drag this to the right to zoom in. Now, once we play this video, that specific transition will then be added to the video. And that is how you can simply edit on CapCut. So once you're satisfied with your video, simply click on this export button and then name your video, select on where folder you want to place this, and then set the resolution, bitrate, codec, format, and frame rate of your video.